In a feat once confined to science fiction, the dire wolf, long extinct, has been brought back to life by colossal biosciences. This achievement raises profound questions about our responsibility toward extinct species. The dire wolf once roamed the Pleistocene landscapes of North and South America. Its resurrection opens up possibilities for understanding the past and shaping the future. We must proceed with caution and responsibility, recognizing both the potential and risks. The resurrection of the dire wolf was made possible by cutting-edge advances in genetics and biotechnology. Scientists at Colossal Biosciences embarked on a meticulous journey to bring back this ancient predator. Their efforts represent a triumph of human ingenuity. The process began with the extraction of ancient DNA from well-preserved dire wolf remains. Using CRISPR technology, scientists compared the dire wolf genome with that of the grey wolf. This allowed them to target specific genes responsible for the dire wolf's unique traits. The next stage involved creating viable embryos and using surrogate mothers. The birth of 3 healthy dire wolf pups was a testament to the scientists' dedication. The birth of Romulus, Remus and Khaleesi marks the return of a long-lost predator. These pups, bearing the genetic legacy of their extinct ancestors, represent a bridge between a distant past and the uncertain future. While they may share the majority of their genetic makeup with their grey wolf relatives, subtle yet significant differences set them apart. Physically, the dire wolf pups exhibit characteristics reminiscent of their ancestors. Larger and more powerfully built than grey wolves, they possess the hallmarks of apex predators. Their broader heads, equipped with stronger jaws and teeth, hint at their hunting prowess. Their coats, a striking white with hints of grey, differ from the typical coloration of grey wolves, suggesting that the resurrected dire wolves may possess unique adaptations. These pups, born into a world vastly different from the one their ancestors roamed, are constantly monitored and studied. Housed in a secure, undisclosed facility, their every move is tracked, providing invaluable data on their behavior, development and potential impact on the environment. Section 4. A world transformed, the promise and peril of de-extinction. The successful resurrection of the dire wolf has ignited a firestorm of debate, raising profound ethical and ecological questions that demand careful consideration. Proponents of de-extinction hail it as a powerful tool for conservation, arguing that it offers a chance to right the wrongs of the past and restore balance to ecosystems ravaged by human activity. However, critics argue that the resources poured into de-extinction could be better utilized to protect endangered species currently on the brink of extinction. They caution against the unintended consequences of reintroducing extinct animals into ecosystems that have long adapted to their absence. The potential for unforeseen ecological disruptions, such as competition with existing species or the spread of diseases, raises valid concerns that cannot be ignored. Furthermore, the ethical implications of bringing back extinct animals, particularly those with complex social structures and behaviors, are multifaceted. Critics argue that it is ethically questionable to resurrect animals into captive environments where they may never experience the freedom and social interactions essential to their well-being. Section 5. The future unfolds, a new chapter in the story of life. As we venture deeper into the uncharted territory of de-extinction, we must proceed with caution, guided by both scientific rigor and ethical responsibility. The successful resurrection of the dire wolf is not merely a scientific achievement, it is a profound cultural and ethical moment that demands careful reflection on our relationship with the natural world. The future of de-extinction hinges on our ability to navigate the complex interplay of science, ethics, and ecological considerations. The decisions we make today will determine the fate of not only the species we choose to resurrect, but also the future of our planet's biodiversity. The story of the dire wolf, once confined to the fossil record, has taken an unexpected turn. As these ancient predators once again roam the Earth, they serve as a powerful reminder of both the destructive and creative capacities of our species. The path ahead is fraught with challenges, but it also holds the promise of a future where humanity uses its technological prowess to heal the planet and rewrite the story of life on Earth.